In my last video, one of my subscribers asked me this: Jeffrey Benson, can you do a video on backtesting? So today, I'm going to be granting that request. To be honest, I've been wanting to do that type of video too, because I know that is exactly what some of you also do really want. So this backtesting, I'm going to be taking you guys how I do trade day in, day out, and how I also get to refine my strategy as the day and month goes by. Let's head straight to the video already. Right here on my screen, I've got a plain chart. So I'm going to do analysis of my strategy from beginning to the end, which is just me using price action based on technical analysis. All right, so I'm just going to zoom out. First thing I love to do, I love to go to 4 hour time frame. Since I'm a day trader, I love to do analysis from 4 hour, get into 1 hour, and then get into 15 minutes for execution. So tap on the replay. Since I'm going to be backtesting, I'm going to take it far to a place I don't even know, right? Let me just drop it anywhere. Okay, so it's arguably so to a place I don't know. Then now we're on the 4 hour time frame. Let me go ahead and just do an analysis to show you guys. So the best thing I want to do is to take my trend line. First thing I love to see, this is a low, this is a low, and then this is another low. I'm just going to expand it across my chart. Pick another one. It seems that one up. Okay, it's up. Okay, just delete that. That was a mistake. So the first thing you can see, trend line right here. There are 3 basic concepts that I never leave out of my analysis. Number 1, trend line, levels based on like psychological levels. And number 3, understanding of chart pattern, my price action, candlestick understanding. That is my 3 key things. Then the 4th one, which applies only on GBP/USD, is high and low of the week. It's really crucial. So if you want to learn all this strategy, make sure you become a part of my academy at firepipsfs.com. I'm going to teach you these things, easy peasy. All right. So now you see it has touched this 2 level, 3rd one. So I'm going to draw more trend lines that are relevant to the current charts. So from here, touching off this level, bang, and then I'm going to have a new horizontal line to just drop my psychological levels. So psychological levels are just like round up psychological level, round up numbers like saying 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that. So all I just need to do is to make sure that the ones that are relevant to the current chart is what I'm going to be leaving here. So the next psychological level should be 1.30, 1.3100, just as you can see on the screen right there. And then from there, you have to measure 50 pips for you to get the next one. It's usually 50 pips far apart from the order. So from here, 50 pips. So we should get 50 pips either up or downward. So for some reason, the network is taking a little bit of time. Let's allow it. Let's take up the measure 2 again. Measure from here. And then 50 pips should be 305, right? So that'll be 1.305, 305, like that. I don't want to add too much. I just want to add as much as is relevant to my current chart. So 305, boom, right? And then I have to add some more one to the upside, 315, 315. That's fine for now. So as you keep progressing, I just count 50 people and just keep adding. Then so since we have already ascertained that 4 hours is an uptrend, 1 hour is saying that we are also in an uptrend. But let me just put in trend lines that are really relevant to this point right now. All right, and I love to look out for day of the week that I'm trading. I don't trade on Mondays. The reason why I don't trade on Mondays is because of market is just starting out, so there's basically no direction. I wouldn't know where market is really at, so I have to know where we are day of the week first. So apparently we have a break already at the top. We just need to form 3 put up for me to start seeing sales, but we've been sustaining uptrend for a long while. I don't like to predict ahead of time, but right now we're still in an uptrend. So let me check what day of the week are we on. Okay, this happens to be Friday, so let me just fast forward it to a Monday, and then I do my concept of handle of the week. So to fast forward it, okay, I need to put a period separator to be able to tell what day of the week we are in. settings. Okay, and let's try. The network is a little bit lagging. So Friday, setting again. It's not coming up. Event, turn on the session breaks, and I click on OK. Session break is to let me know the day of the week. So Friday started from here. I want to do it such that a new line, broken line comes up, then I'll let it be from there. I'll start my Monday analysis. I'll know that we're in a fresh week. Yeah. Let me go on for speed that up. It's taking time because the candles are far in time. So I think this is not my network only. Trading view is also included because on this delay. Okay, it's back up. All right, so I'm having a hard time recording this thing because the network is really slowing me down. Let me try to connect to my phone. Let me switch my network. I've connected to my phone now. I was using the house Wi-Fi. I'll take that part again. So the next thing is I switch to 4 hours so that I can just quickly fast track when Monday starts. I just want the session breaks to appear and then I'm good. All right. So it appears that we're already coming. Okay, this is Monday 1, 2. So for concept of high and low of the week, I want to have 2 candles form for Monday, and then I'll use that to determine what my high and low for the week is. So what this basically helps me to do is let me know where markets will likely get to the highest, it will likely get to for the week, and the lowest. Usually it might surpass that high or the low with just about 50 pips. But that's just the basic concept of what it does for me. Now on Monday, I want to let Monday pass. Remember I said I don't trade on Monday. So we are having sell week. So we're going to be doing more of sales for this week because why? This candle broke out down. So let's go to 15 minutes. Let's start catching the trade. 15 minutes, start catching the trades. So far so good. This is on Monday actions. There's nothing really much going on from there. So, and price has actually come to my psychological level, which is a level that I don't joke with. So, but let me check some price action to see what's going on. Then we have a push up. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay. Nothing much going on. With this pull up, with this price pulling up here, I would have gotten in for a sell. I'll get in for a sell. Why? Because price was on the high of the week, and then that's my psychological level, and I'd love to go to the next psychological level. Then my stop loss is going to be the recent high. With this pull up, I would have gone in because I'm waiting for price to come. That's my candlestick pattern type of entry. All right, so let's go. Let's see how well. And I love to target 1 to 2, 1 to 2, but this appears to be 1 to 5. Let me reduce it and just do the last recent high, low rather. This is the recent low. That's 1 to 3. It's a very good trade if you ask me. It's a very good trade. I would have exited a long time. I would have exited somewhere around about, let's say I would have exited upon seeing this rejection on the low of the week. Okay. Then the next thing is price start going up again. So that's for London entry, my London entry. Let me look for New York. Well, New York has already happened somewhere around here. But since price pushed up here, I'm going to short again at this point. I'm going to be shorting at this point, and I will target this point. This is my stop. I'll do 1 to 2 at least. 1 to 2, somewhere around. Oops. Yeah, let's go. Take profit smashed. All right, so I'll just shrink this one. So I take 2 trades every day, then I'm waiting till the next day. So on the next day, I've seen a new pattern. Okay, I like the fact that it just started off trending in the same direction, and I'm gonna look for my trend lines again because I've seen 2 highs, 2 tops. And then price is moving. Oh my goodness, I'm loving what's going on here now. Just leave it there. I want the one that will help me to take action right now. By is at midnight. I love to take trades once around from 7, so let's keep an eye out from 7 or 6. So there's a new psychological level here. Let me acknowledge this psych level. 1.3. Yeah. Oops, there's no way I would have caught this one. So I say I start taking trade from 7. That's because London opens about around that time. We already have that is a drop. So the next trade time is 1 p.m. to about 3. That's when I see my next opportunity. Next opportunity. Okay, there's a build up here. Okay, from here I would have short to target 1 to 2. I would have short, or let me just say half of the body. I'll go in for a short and then target 1 to 2. Why? It broke my trend line, and then I think it's gonna keep it up that way. So I'm gonna target 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Here. Let's go. Let me add the next psychological level 2 as well to be sure you are in check. 295. It's always 50-50 feet far apart. 290. Then the next one should be 285. Okay, so I'm shorting to 285 to be fair, around that 285 region. So took out the stop, so this is a clear stop loss hit. Then the next day, getting the next day, let's go to about around 7 o'clock again. Keep adjusting this one, feed in. Okay, 7 o'clock, I'm about to start making decision. 1 candle, 2nd candle. On this 2nd candle, I'm gonna short. Oh, I mistakenly changed the chart. I have to take it back. I mistakenly changed the chart, and that's the problem. Pressing the space. I wouldn't know where I was now. All right, so I just love to look out for this level. Yeah. Remember, I was trying to short from this point. Oops, market has gone far. You know, I tried shorting from this point, so it would have actually hit take profit on this point. But let's fast forward. Let me just go ahead and do the other one, because obviously right now I've seen all these actions, so it's not gonna be valid as backtest. I want to go to a point where I've not seen point. Let me come to a point where I've not seen. Okay. So I'll just take it to on a Monday, or it's already a Wednesday. Okay, it's a Thursday. Let me start. I love it's a Thursday. Let me see, continue and do my thing from here. So the concept and handle of the week, since I met it here on Wednesday/Thursday, so let me do Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So Monday's action will be somewhere around, it might be somewhere around here, and just drop it here, and then I'll go on in 4 hours to change it on 4 hour time frame. Let's go. In 4 hours is where I look for the first 2 candles to form, and then these are the candles, 1, 2. So the lowest was this red one, and then the highest is the green one. So I was correct. So we're having it bearish broke out first, bears, so we're going to be having more sales for the week. And then whilst I'm waiting for the chart to load, let me just put in horizontal line that serves as my psychological level. So it's 1.270 as a psychological level. Then the next one will be 1.275. 75, since it's 50 pips far apart. So this is me randomly pulling up a random chart, right? Again, I didn't even know where I stopped. I think this is a Thursday, and I've done my handle of the week. This is the high, this is the low. Our market already broke down first, so should be experiencing more of sales. So all I just need now is for me to wait for my trading time, which is London session. I'll wait for price to get to about 7 p.m. 7, and then I'll start taking trade. So it's 7 already. From here, this is a very good entry that I would have done here too for a buy, but since that's gone already, let's see if we're going to have, yes, upon this drop I'll long. Upon the drop there, I'm looking to long. I'll just go ahead long. I'll target something around here, and then I'll put my stop on this recent low. That's 1 to 1. It's not a very good trade, but extend it a bit. Yes, so let's see. Boom. I'll be looking forward to exiting on this spike. On this spike, I would have exited. So that's my London. That's what always happens every time. Okay, that's my London. Let me wait for 1 p.m. again. See, nice trade opportunity. 1 p.m. there's always a flash because news happen around about this time. Okay, so since price has already bust here open and then it pulls up, I'm a short again. I will short here, but before I short, let me see the level where it touched and see how it reacted off that level. So 27500, 2800, that will be my next psychological level. Good. So since price touched off this level and then now it's trying to, I want to short it back to the psychological, to the low of the week. Putting my, a little bit lower. I always like to make it 1 to 2. So let's go now. Boom, I'm already in profit. So from here, I'm going to add new positions. I'll stack it out like this way. I'm going to stack new positions because I know that, okay, now I'm right. Market is moving in my direction. Or now that it's slowing down, I don't know what it might want to do, but let's see. Good. I'll exit from this push. But I know that we're still going to have a pull down one more. Yeah, but then I'll exit on that pull up as that happened. All right, so this one is also done. So I'm done for the day on Thursday. Let's go to the next day, which is Friday. On Friday, I'm just going to wait for 6 to 7 or It's 7 o'clock. Market bust up again. Market bust up. So since it's still ranging, I'll just go ahead and long. I'm going for a long. Long. Put my stop loss here. Target times 2x. 2x. Let's see clearly. Okay. Market tore down. Rejecting again. Okay, rejecting. Reject. Clearly, let's see one more. Upon price coming back up in profits, I will exit. I'll exit out because that is already casted for me. It's not a good thing to follow through with. Okay, this is evening, so this day I just had a break-even trade. So that's how I just basically trade, and I keep refining. So what the major part of my trading strategy is, it's more of discretional based on the candlestick pattern that I see, the chart patterns. Most times you see that the candlesticks I love to see before taking any trade. Let me just show you a random candlestick that might happen on this Monday. So you see the way price came down and they want to start going up. Upon seeing this weak rejection, I'll be buying from here. That is my most candlestick, because that's my entry candles. I want to be buying from here. Put my stop loss at the low and target times 2. Let me do it again. This is for what's called. This is for London. Let me go and do it in New York session. Just randomly. I didn't do any analysis. I'm not showing you candlesticks now. Paying attention to candlesticks. Oh, this is in London, New York. Okay, New York is 1 p.m. Had happened. Okay, upon the touch, see, I just want a bullish candle to come up a bit. I will start shorting. Let's see if that happens. It didn't happen. No entry. No entry. No entry. So let me go to the next day and try it on London session for Tuesday on this particular week. Okay, so let's slow down. You see the way price came down and moved up. This thing is telling that there's something here. All right, so from here I will long and put my stop loss here. Check. But though it's at 9, this is Asian session, I wouldn't have traded. I'm just showing you patterns, how I get to know, okay, you see, it will go up. These are secret patterns that took me years to learn. You see the way it came down from here, I would have long. You see, I would long from here. Again, that is doing this again, I'll long on top of it. I'll long, so kind of took here, boom. The way it came down as a bear candle on top of these is a clear long pattern for me. I'm gonna put stop loss, a recent low, that's 19 times 2. I'm gonna do stop somewhere around here. You see, that's how it works always. So this is the most interesting pattern that you guys will ever learn. You wait for, it's just a behavior, you have to time it. And then what helped me here is because I do journal my trades. I know the pattern that works so much well on GBP USD. I know when to get in, I know when to exit and all of that. So this is the pattern actually tell me, Jeff, now is very good time to get. So anytime you see that I'm sending signal, just know that I've seen something like somehow like that would make you see the way it came down again. Upon coming down from here, boom, another entry here again. You see, that's how it just basically happened. I hope you guys got value from this video. If not anything, you guys got value from this thing I just taught you right now, the candlestick patterns. You guys will got value from the psychological level, from how I do backtest and how I just think. Please kindly do add your own uniqueness, your unique proposition, whatever you're using, whether you're using smart money, ICT, or any other technical analysis based strategy or maybe indicator. Just add it up to this one and then make magic with what you've got. All right, please kindly comment in the comment section how or next topic that you'd like me to discuss on. You see, I made this video because someone had asked me on the comment section. So ask me any video you want me to make for you. I definitely will be making that for you. All right, see you guys next time and bye for now. Peace out.